Hello everyone. In this video we'll show you how you register yourself on our app. The reason I've got two phones over here is one is going to be a primary user and the other person is going to be a secondary. So we'll show you how you can add somebody else to the address where you live, such as a child or anybody else that is sharing the residential place with you. So the first thing you do is, of course, download the app. You have the app, you go register new user, you enter your address. The credentials for the address are filled out. You hit the next button. We'll go residential, we'll go high rise, and we'll create a random number in here. So we'll just go 777. Hit the next. Country code, area code. You put in the name. For the purpose of the demonstration, we won't enter an email, but if an email is added, it's going to show up under your profile. So for the purpose, again, for the demonstration, we'll create a simple password. And then, of course, you got the disclaimer and the privacy policy. Please read it. Create an account. A code is sent to your phone. You verify the code. And you can now start using the app. Country code. Password that I created, a simple one. Please don't create a simple password. This is only a demonstration. Log in twice. That takes you in. So this is the address where I'm registered. It creates it as a main registered address, which is the first address that is used to sign into the app. Your email is over here at the bottom. You can always add an email at any time, but we don't need an email for the purpose of the app currently. All alerts are sent to your mobile unit, to your mobile phone. To add somebody, you're going to click on that, add. This is a child, for example, 1647. You put in their name. You have to create a password for them. Give them the password so they can use that password to sign in. Again, for the purpose of the demonstration, a simple password. Remember to provide that password to the person that you're adding. Hit the save. They have successfully been added. If they do not have the app, they'll get an alert. And there is your verification code. It shows up over there, 390493. Now this person will sign up this person. We'll just exit out of here. We'll go back. The person shows up as red because they haven't activated their account. We'll now go and activate this account. 647. Simple password. Again, make sure you use a complicated password, for God's sakes. And there you go. The verification code that was sent, there it is. Disclaimer, privacy policy, please read it. And you're now able to, they've been registered. When someone's added, it shows up in the map. It takes, give it a few minutes. The reason this is still red is because the account has now been activated. It's going to now turn green. So we'll go back in here. It turns green. That means the account is now activated. A secondary user is not able to add anybody to the address where they were added, but they can create their own address. So in this particular case, we'll go in here and we'll create another address. Let's say, for example, it is a school, and we'll create a random address. So new property, we create a random address. If there's anything that is incorrect in the address, you can fix it in here. So let's say, for example, you find it's not 100 but it's 125. You can change it in here, and it changes it. Select the type of address. So let's say residential. We'll say single dwelling. You hit the submit. and that property is also added. The primary property shows up as blue, the secondary shows up as orange. You can add up to 8 addresses and 8 people to any address that has been created. Thank you everyone. Please sign on, keep yourself safe, and we hope this app is going to help you in the event of an emergency. But in the event of an emergency, always call 911. The app is only an aid. Thank you all.